In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to unhide application on your iPad. If you make any application hidden, then I'll show you how to unhide them. First of all, you guys, you have to come to this app library. Now once you're over here, you will see here the hidden folder. You must have guys ignored this or didn't notice this folder over here, this hidden folder. Just tap on it and just verify your touch ID, and you will be able to see application you have hidden guys. So like if I make any application hidden, then this application will be in this hidden folder. Now if I, you can see that in hidden folder I can see my Roblox application. So now if I go back and come back, you will see that the Roblox application is not visible now. So if I am just tap on it, verify my touch ID, I will be able to see my touch hidden application. To unhide guys, you have to hold this application. If you want to unhide or just remove from hidden folder, then you can tap on this don't require touch ID. Or if you just want to see your hidden application or unhide any application, just tap on it and verify your touch ID. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. So, more video till then, bye.